If you've encountered security checks on your Epic Games account and need to restore full access, follow these steps to navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Verify your email. Check your email inbox for any messages from Epic Games regarding security checks. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your identity and confirm your account ownership. Step 2. Reset your password. If you are unable to access your account, go to the Epic Games login page and select Forgot your password. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Make sure to create a strong, unique password. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. Once you regain access, enable two-factor authentication 2FA for added security. Go to your account settings, find the security section, and follow the instructions to set up 2FA using an authentication app or your phone number. Step 4. Review account activity. Check your account activity for any unauthorized access. Look for unfamiliar logins or changes to your account settings. If you notice anything suspicious, report it to Epic Games Support immediately. Step 5. Contact Epic Games Support. If you are still having issues after completing the previous steps, reach out to Epic Games Support for assistance. Provide them with as much information as possible about your account and the security checks you encountered. By following these steps, you should be able to restore full access to your Epic Games account and enhance its security.